Look at these things. Apple, flower, cat. Simple, right? But wait, in English we normally say one more word before the object. We use a and n. Look at these words. A book, an apple. Why do we say a book, but an apple? In English we use a and n to talk about one thing. A book, a car, a dog. But sometimes we say an apple, an elephant, an orange. The rule is simple. We use before consonant sounds and before vowel sounds. Easy, right? Look at these examples. A teacher, an elephant. Now, let's do a practice. Are you ready? Complete using a or an. But why? Sometimes a word starts with a vowel letter, but a consonant sound. The word university starts with a sound U, so we say university, not in university. Look at these two words, umbrella and uniform. They both start with the letter U, but the sound is different. Remember, we choose a or and based on sound, not just a letter.